How to use Nolo Living Trust creation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Nolo's Living Trust tools make estate planning easier, but beginners often make mistakes that can undermine the trust's purpose. The first mistake is not funding the trust. Creating the trust is only the first step. You must transfer assets into it. Property, bank accounts, and investments not properly titled remain outside the trust and may go through probate. Another common error is choosing the wrong trustee or not naming backups. Your trustee manages the assets after you're gone. Select someone trustworthy and name secondary trustees in case the primary is unavailable. Many users overlook detailed instructions for beneficiaries. Specify distribution percentages, ages for inheritance, and special conditions. Vague instructions can cause disputes or unintended outcomes. Neglecting to update the trust is another pitfall. Life changes like marriage, divorce, births, or deaths require revisions. An outdated trust may not reflect your current wishes. Finally, some assume Nolo's tools replace legal advice. Complex estates, business ownership, or tax considerations may require a lawyer to ensure everything is set up correctly. To use Nolo Living Trust creation properly, fund the trust fully, select appropriate trustees, provide detailed beneficiary instructions, update regularly, and consult a professional when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your living trust will protect your assets and simplify estate planning.